trend on there. I also have a Caspa price prediction for you here at the end for the next, I forget what it is, 5 or 8 years. Okay, very, very realistic. Okay, it's not some junk uh, price prediction. It's not mine. It comes from a reputable source, and we will get to that here at the end. I want to show you that. But we have been trading this today. All right, I want to give you an idea of what's been going on here. Over in Discord, we posted this, and we've been getting some pretty decent gains out of this thing. All right, Caspa ended up. So this thing, if it pulls it up here for me, there we go. And I want to show you guys this because been some pretty nice trades today. Look at this. 30x, there's plus 75%. I was still in that trade at the time. Then I believe this next one is from yesterday. Nope, that's March 26th. There's June 19th. There's June 18th. That was a Caspa long yesterday that we had in Discord. So just give you an idea, if you're a member, level 3 member, we get some decent trades over there once in a while for sure. All right, and, this move we're trading today in here, if you zoom in on this, we had some interesting stuff going on down here. All right, and I need to definitely cover a few things here for you. All right, first off, this push right here, okay, this first push off the bottom here, actually second push, I guess. You had this push, another roll down here, and then we actually had a higher high out of this push here on the half hour. Okay, so you have a higher high, you had this high, a lower low, or higher low, I'm sorry, I apologize about that. Okay, you had this high, a lower low, a lower high, a higher low, a higher high. Okay, and it looks like we're going to get a higher low in here, which should be the start of an uptrend. Okay, now if we take and put a Fibonacci on this thing, pull it up to the top, you can see we are right around that 618. Okay, does this thing need one more push down here to this to hit? Possibly. All right, is it going to bounce from here? That could happen too. All right, if on a 15-minute, this is what I put out in Discord. This is how we got in this trade. All right, if I pull up the RSI, I want to show you something here. I got it on this chart. I might have to go over some. There it is. Okay, now down here on the bottom. All right, you can see something pretty interesting. Do you see it? Okay, do you see what I'm talking about by any chance? I'm not treating anybody like they're dumb, okay? But if you don't see it, all right, we had something very bullish down here. All right, you got bullish divergence down there on the bottom. All right, there you can see it. Let me pull it up a little bit here. You see you had this low and a higher low, and on price you had this low and a lower low. Okay, so you had bullish divergence on the 15-minute there, which made is a very good sign, and that happened right here on this low here. So it's a pretty good indication that things are possibly turning around and heading towards the upside. All right, nothing is guaranteed. That's not the way trading works, but you put signs together, the more put up, the better. Okay, that's the way things work out here. Just trying to get my this thing set up down here. Now we had this 618 pullback right here. Okay, what I'm thinking is going on here. All right, now if we come back up here and break this down just a little bit, this is only gonna take a second. All right, first off, let's reel this in a little bit. Okay, then we had this push with the, now you can see the bullish divergence on the bottom came into play right here, right on this bottom. Now this push up and this pullback is hitting right around a 618 and a 702 right now as I'm making this video. So is this all going to turn into a higher push here? Okay, is this the one we've been looking for? Let me show you. And then we're going to take a look at a all right, this is what I'm looking at right here. This is all a big 1, 2, 3, 3 wave starting right here, okay? And then this one here would just be your 1, 2, and your third wave would be coming in here because you have 5 waves inside of this wave 3, okay? So that's what I'm thinking is possibly going on here. And if that is the case, then this thing could be making a pretty, like with the trend-based fib, what kind of target would that give this thing? Let's take a look at it, just to get an idea here. Who knows? Might fall apart, might roll over. But there's a couple things, saying that that's not the case right now. Okay, now let's zoom out on this and see what that kind of target that would give this thing. Probably a pretty decent upward push here. Okay, I would give this a target. Oh wow, look at that, unbelievable. Right back up. Look at that, on the nose. Unreal. I did not do this ahead of time. I try to save all that stuff for the videos. But look at that. Right back with who? Is that a double top at 19 cents? Or did we bust through that and then go a little bit higher? All right, but that's what I'm thinking. A 5 wave, possibly back up towards that 19 cents. Okay, and right now we would be working, like I said, on a third wave of the bigger move, so this should be a pretty decent push if this is what's going on in here. Okay, that's what I'm hoping for. I got back in on this trade and I'm looking for a push. We landed right on support on this pullback, and Caspa's looking fantastic right now. Okay, as long as it holds this support, I'm not worried. All right, we had a wick down through there. No big deal. It ended up you get wicks all the time. All right, you get wicks that violate trend lines constantly. All right, had a little bit of a violation there, but then the second wick caught it and it's starting to bounce in here. All right, so possibly a 5 wave up starting there with Kaspa. Over here on Bitcoin, and don't forget about this price prediction, guys. As long as we hold this 618, all right, I don't want to see it lose 64.4 here. If it does, then we have one final push down here. All right, it's possible. Don't disregard it. Don't get all excuse the expression, balls to the wall bullish here. If we bounce off this 618, and if we take out this resistance here, that would convince me that this pull down is done. All right, you can see that yellow resistance line up here. If we could bust through that, that would definitely be very, very convincing to me. If we end up losing this 786 at 64.4, like I said, don't be surprised that if we get one final flush down here. And the one reason I'm thinking that, let me get this off here. All right, take that off there, take a fib, and if we put it on here, pull back up to the top, right about close to there. All right, right down here at this blue line, we haven't done a full 1.618. We don't have to do a full 1.618, but a lot of times you do. Okay, it can stop in the middle like that. That can be a bottom, and it can go. But this was our target range in here. Could it push down here to 63.5? It absolutely could. Okay, that would be that push where that would turn a lot of people, I'm sure, bearish, thinking it's going deeper. Or not. Okay, the 4-hour RSI kind of in no man's land right there. The 8-hour, let's take a look and see where it's at. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that so very much. Definitely helps me out a lot. I don't ask it enough, and I would very much appreciate it. At least give me a like for sitting in this blistering heat making the videos for you. My garage, no AC in this little office area here. We got the 8-hour. 8 hours rolling over and bearish, 35 and a 36. Okay, so put your Fibonacci on that and watch that push there and see. Make sure we hold the 12 hours at the bottom here, and like I said, put a fib on that. Keep an eye on it yourself, you know, so you know what's going on here. If you see Bitcoin break this trend line, put a trend line on there so you know what's going on. And if you see Bitcoin break that trend line, no financial advice, but I'd start going long on some stuff for sure. Other than Caspa, I think Caspa's bottom's in. You know, if it starts pushing up right now, and Bitcoin does have one more flush down here, Caspa's already going to be, you know, pushed to the upside here. So I can't, and it's not going to be much if it does. All right, it would be down here to about 63 and a half. All right, no big deal, but it would be enough to, like I said, to shock people. But look, you can see a green candle starting here. It hit the we hit the 618, and we're starting a green candle. All right, if we go through that 786, put this on your chart and watch it. If we bust up here, take out this resistance, I would be going long on a lot of stuff. All right, now let's come over here to the crypto bubbles. Having a nice day out there today for sure. Over in Discord, thank you guys. You guys are the best, man. I got a lot of people over there posting trades, posting their ideas. Pretty big conversation going on over there today. I love going in there and reading. A lot of smart, very smart people over there. Look at these pops today. Nice. Everything is looking. Look at the Singularity Net. That's good to see. Fetch, yes. You know, I cover both of these and been looking for higher prices with these. That's great to see. I get put some videos out on them and cover them. But yeah, nice green day out there today going on. Now if we come over here, I want to show you the wallets, and then I want to show you these price predictions because they are pretty awesome. All right, let's take a look at the Block Explorer. Yeah, thank you. And obviously I want to give a thanks to the new members also. We had 7 new members there last couple days over in the members group, the level 3. Thank you very, very much, guys. Any questions, just hit me up, and I'll do my best to get back to you ASAP. 358 pentahash, that is unbelievable. That looks fantastic. Look at that, $199, $28,000 Caspa buy there. 199,000, I think it was, 28,000 bucks. That's cool to see. That's 102. I love seeing them big trend. There it is down here. 199,000, or is that $28 million? 28,000, 28 million, 199,965,370 Caspa. Oh my God. That's 28,776,000. Wow, that is a purchase right there. $28 million. Unbelievable. Seeing it right on here. Cool. I just clicked on that real quick because let's check that out. Let's check that address out real quick. That's what I love about the blockchain. You can go, you can check any, Vitalik Buterin and his addresses out there. There's a lot of people's out there. You can get received 3.8, received 3.7. When are all these? June 19th. Received 3, received, sent 102. These rewards, that's what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it is. It's minor, looks like miners rewards and stuff. Received 3.5, received 2.9, sent 100, received 3.4, sending their Caspa to their wallets. They're receiving it in this wallet and sending it to their stash wallet. One of 149,000 pages. So this person, a miner probably, it looks like, doing very, very well apparently. That's awesome. Good for them. I love digging in there though and checking stuff out like that. It's pretty cool to see. Balance 167 Caspa in that wallet. Transactions almost 3,000. You can go in there, Caspa FYI, and click on any of them wallets. Check out even the top wallets. top wallet addresses. You can get on there and click on them and check out what they're doing. Selling, buying, holding. I think you can even see how long they've been holding, all kinds of stuff in there. So here is the whale alert. I apologize about a little bit of a lag here. I will have that fixed. Not sure what's going on with it. Every time I hook my Wi-Fi extender up, it just does not want to. It's crazy. It just doesn't want to work very well. And I got very, very good internet. This has not been a problem until just the past couple days. That's why I've just only been putting out a video here and there, because I really got to get that fixed. That not only does it waste my time, more importantly, it wastes your time. I care about you guys. Number one, you guys are the ones that keep me making videos. And here we go. The last 24 hours, we've added 21 dolphins, 135 fish. We're -1 shark. Last 7 days, 159 dolphins, 2 sharks, -2 whales in the last week. But last 30 days, as long as we see this, green over here, and them humpbacks haven't been doing a whole lot. Still got 13 of those, and no aquaman. Boy, I'd love to be in that humpback range. I know Jimmy, he's a member of the channel. Pretty sure he's in this range right here, million to 10 million. There's only 2,863 people. There's a few people on the channel that are up in this range. I don't know if we have any in the whale range, but we have a few in the shark range for sure. And good for them. And if they're not millionaires already, they're going to be. All right, let's get over to this price prediction. What is that? Oh, yeah, the CoinW. Did everybody know about that? The listing on CoinW. We're not going to read this article, but this was from June 11th from Dubai. CoinW listed Caspa on June 11th. It will also list Caspa times 3 ETFs, and open Caspa 3 long in USDT and Caspa 3 short USDT trading pairs. To celebrate the listing, we are launching the Join Caspa Bounty Program. Register and trade and retweet event with a reward pool of 5,000 USDT. Speaking of, I had a exchange send me an email about leverage trading and stuff. I'm going to bring it up to you guys maybe the next couple videos. I'll open up the email, I'll show it to you. But they're interested in our community. If we if anybody's looking for a a leverage trading site without KYC and all that stuff, I don't want all my info out in the internet like that. A lot of people don't, no KYC, I want my stuff private. So but I'll share that with you guys here within the next couple days. We'll open up the email and take a look at it, okay, and see what they offer. And I know they're offering. It says, what can we offer to your community? There was four different things. I'll have to open it and show you guys. All right, here we go. Caspa price prediction for 2024. Here we go. Hit a peak of 18 cents. Blah, blah, blah. Fell to 10. Caspas have been able to break out to 17. All right, this was back from a little bit ago here that they put this article out. But it says here it could hit 72 cents before the end of 2024. All right. Yeah, absolutely could. I think next year is going to be a real big year, especially with the bull run. We're in the beginning stages of this bull run, guys. All right. Don't get frustrated, man. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Blah, 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 blah. But I am stacking and stacking and stacking my crypto as much as I can. I'm still stacking. I'm not just holding, waiting. I'm still stacking. We're still like in the, if we were in a NFL game right now, it would be in the first couple minutes of the game, you know. We're at the beginning. Everybody else is going to come later and buy our crypto at the end, you know. That's how that works. We sell to them, which is kind of crappy, you know, but that's the way it goes. That's the reward we get for being here early. And they come late, and then they're going to have to hold until the next bull run to dump their crypto. You know, that's just how it goes. That's the reward you get for being here early. All right, so here we go. They have 72 cents before the end of 2024. If we go into 2025, it says here many predictions expect Bitcoin to hit under $100,000 in 2025. And with Caspa outperforming the cryptocurrency, it could go much higher. Therefore, the price of Caspa could be $1.22 in 2025. In 2026, Caspa might continue to increase as adoption of peer-to-peer projects might surge. However, the token might go on a 10x rally, but it might increase by another 100%, putting the price prediction at $2.44. The token might go on a 10x rally. All right. A 10x rally at $1.22 would put it, what, $12? Somewhere right around there. So if it goes on a 10x rally, you're looking at a $12 Caspa. If not, you know, they're saying about $2.44. In 2027, could be a bearish year for Caspa as the crypto market at large might experience a plunge in capital. You know, bear market hits. From the look of things, Caspa could lose hold on the $2 region, and its price could drop to $1.67. 2028, Caspa is expected to bounce. This is because the community of the Caspa network could hit tens of millions, meaning that holders of the token might be higher compared to the current figure. Thus, Caspa could trade at $3.10 in 2028. 2029, the price of Caspa might continue to increase as another bull market might have appeared. This time, the project might experience a surge in institutional capital. Also, the retail cohort might not be left out. In terms of the value, it could hit $5 in 2029. In 2030, several predictions expect Caspa to hit $10 in 2030. Considering the mind-blowing performance it has had, however, the token might get close to it, but might not trade at that level. From Coin Edition's projections, Caspa could be worth $9.52 in 2030. So and 2040 is next. So those of you out there that hold 1 to 10 million Caspa, if you have 10 million Caspa and this thing hits $10, you have $100 million. $100 million. How about cruising over to my place and dropping off a couple million? That'd be pretty sweet. Or you know, come over and buy me a dinner. That'd be awesome. I'd love to meet some of you people out there sometime. You know, we're just a small channel, small community. I got some really fantastic people in here. 2040 is a long time from now. Seems like it. You know what? But in all reality, it's really not. All right, 16 years. And by that time, many cryptos that exist now might not be present. But Caspa might still be relevant because of the expected development and upgrade in its plans. For Caspa, it could be $13.80 in 2040. All right, they have the minimum at $12, the max at $13.80. How about 2050? The price of Caspa might be a lot higher in 2050, but before then, the value of the cryptocurrency might drop from 2040 higher. However, with increased demand, Caspa could rally to $22.50 in 2050. All right, conclusion. There you go. So pretty awesome article by $22.50. I kind of think it's going to be in the $20 to $30 range. I'm going with the video that Jimmy sent me by 2030. You know, $30 to $40 Caspa. Very, very possible, I believe, with Siam Kid. The videos Jimmy sent me for sure. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate everything you do for the channel. You guys are the best. If you're over there in them trades and Discord, man, I'll be updating that on and taking a look at them charts. So hang in there. I'll be back soon. And I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.